Hello, thank you for joining me today. I am going to be unboxing the Corsair gaming SCIMITAR mouse. Right here. It's in plastic, so let's take this bad boy out. And you can read right here, it has 12K DPI. This is what it looks like. And it has stuff on the back of it. And it gives you a detail right there. And it actually has 12,000 DPI, 0 acceleration, optical sensor for super accurate control. And then it has powerful, comprehensive backlighting software. And then it has the key slider, micro button control, system, comfort with control. And you can see a picture on the side where the buttons are right there. I will leave a link in the description for this so you can get a better look at the info and stuff. But let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Oh yeah, here's the look of the plastic and everything. The mouse. This thing is huge. This thing fits my hand. I got small hands, so this thing is gonna fit me well. So I wanted something big too and better quality of a mouse, so I guess I got it now. So let's just open this up. Just gonna take this. See if we can get this out of the box now. We got that part out. Gonna see what this all comes with now. Okay, so trying to get this sucker out of here now. Okay, we got the tool for the keypad to adjust the keypad to where you want it and everything. Let me see, how do you get this thing out here? Okay, there we go. We got the USB right here. Looks like just a regular normal USB. I don't know if it's 3.0 or I think it's 2.0 because it's not blue, so that's good. 2.0. And we got the instructions. We got some, I guess it's warranty information here, so let me keep that. And we've got the mouse almost out here, so let me see, just one more haul here. Almost got it through the haul now. Okay, there we go. We got this baby out now. Right here, you can see it. I'll show you the back. Here's the keypad. We can adjust the keypad with this right here. We can adjust it. So if we simply go like under here, like that, let me see if this is right though for me. I think it has to be adjusted some, I think. So let's see how we do that here. And here we go, you can see it sliding. So let's see how we want it now. Let's see. I think the middle is good. So I think we got it in now, so can put this thing down. Okay, and we got it right here, so I think this is gonna be wrapping it up for this. You got the, almost forgot, we got the buttons up here. We got the roll right here. And we got this nice pad going down here for it, and we got like pads right here for it. So I'm ready to try this thing out. So I'll be back and show you that I got it up and running. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.